Think holding in a cough is harmless? Think again. Coughing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your airways. It's like a mini vacuum cleaner in your throat. When you hold back a cough, those irritants stick around, which can lead to infections or even damage your lungs over time. Not cool, right? Coughs are formed when your brain sends signals to your chest and throat muscles to contract suddenly. That powerful burst of air helps eject unwanted particles. So, the next time you feel a tickle, let it out. Your body knows what it's doing, and remember, cover your mouth, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep on coughing responsibly, of course. Catch you next time.